Hi, my name is Nathan, and I'm just doing a testimonial for Merle. I first met Merle when I was a student on her MIT course, Graduate Certificate in Applied E-Learning, as one of her students. Describing Merle very simply, she has a heart of gold. She has so much experience with the online space and online development and research. She taught me so much in my 1 year of studying with her. I would love to study with her again. She has fantastic skills with development, creating resources, and that delivery with student engagement. Being able to pick students up when they're down, like what happened with me. She got me through. She is truly fantastic, a heart of gold, and is someone I would recommend. Thank you.